Hey there, South Africa. Need to check your Sassa R350 grant status in a flash. I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and get you sorted out. First off, you can easily check your status through the Sassa portal. Just hop onto the official Sassa website at https://srd.sassa.gov.za/sc19/status. Log in using your registered ID and mobile number, and there you'll find all the info about your current status. It's that simple. Now, if you're more of an app person, Sassa's got you sorted too. Download the Sassa app from the App Store if you're on iOS or the Play Store if you're rocking Android. Once it's installed, log in with your registered ID and mobile number. Voila! Your payment status right at your fingertips. But hey, sometimes the simplest way is the best way. You can check your status via SMS as well. Just send an SMS to the Sassa number and you'll get an update on your grant status in seconds. Easy peasy. Don't forget, the Sassa R350 grant updates on a monthly basis. So it's a good idea to keep an eye on your status to ensure you get your payment on time. This is especially crucial if you're withdrawing through the post office, Boxer, or other payment methods. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to staying updated on your Sassa R350 grant status. Stay informed, stay secure, and get your payments on time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Catch you in the next one.